What's it like at 5 a.m. on the Lido Deck? Let's go check it out. "5 a.m. Lido Deck on the Sapphire Princess on our journey to Buenos Aires, Argentina." Let's check it out. Let's see what 5 a.m. looks like. Want an ice cream? That's a big ice cream, huh? All right, let's check the breakfast setup out. Keep in mind, it's roughly 5. These are guys that are just setting up. You got grits, sausage, onions, peppers, pizza muffins. Pizza muffins is the signature muffin on the ship, that's for sure. Breakfast. And then we've got hash browns, grilled tomatoes, and then we got Shiva, the sous chef. But I love the presentation. Early in the morning like this, the presentation's nice. Once the passengers get in here and they start picking in there, these bowls don't necessarily look like this. French toast, pancakes, beans, mince, that's minced pork, and that is English bacon. Croissant, ham, cheese, salami. And then we get yogurts and bananas and raisins. That's a nice section right here. All the fruits. For breakfast, fruit for breakfast, that's a pretty good idea, isn't it? Alright. I think that's what I'm gonna have the once they open up, I'm gonna have the smoked salmon with the red onion, lemon, and the capers. That's what I'm going with. I guess some cream cheese here. I mean, I could put it on a bagel. I could do that, but once they open up, I'll come over and grab something. But they're just still setting up. And that's the action behind the scenes right there. Making French toast. He's making like an egg McMuffin over there, but I can't say McMuffin. We'll call it Egg Princess Muffin. How's that?
Let's check the pastries out.
Bread pudding. 5 a.m. in the morning, man. They're all set. All kinds of breads. Look at these desserts. Oh, I love how they got it presented.
Walking the deck.
We're going all the way down on the Lido Deck. Going all the way back at ship. And we'll come all the way around. My flip-flops are making all kinds of noise. Let's go check out the back of the ship. It'll come around. My flipper, my flippers, my flip flops. I hate how it's flopping.
Let's check out the buffet on the other side. There's two buffets, one on one side, one on the other side.
They're getting ready. It's 5 a.m. like I said. Oh, check it out. They got the stuff covered, which is fine, because they're getting it all prepped. It's all preparation right now. And you look at the presentation. The very first thing in the morning, the presentation. Once you get passengers in here and they start getting in here, their presentation's not that good anymore. Looking good.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. You're doing a good job. The presentation is amazing. What time does the actual buffet open for the passengers?
Passengers are on 5:45.
Oh, 5:45. Oh, wow. Okay, did you hear that? What he basically said was, because it's a port day, they're anticipating a rush of passengers that want to get off the ship, so they'll open at 5:45. If we weren't in port, what time do you normally open? 6?
At Siemens it's around 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, yeah. So it's a 15-minute difference. This is what I'm going to have today. Smoked salmon. Look at the spread. Good morning. There he is, and he's over there making all kinds of bacon and sausage. Oh, he's making pancakes over there. It's pretty amazing to see all these guys working and preparing everything for all of the passengers. They get up early, they go to bed late.
That was pretty cool.
That means the ship's rocking. It's been rocking. We got caught in a rainstorm yesterday. And the day before that, high winds. All right, that's our tour on the Sapphire Princess. And this is what it looks like at 5 a.m.